Hey kids! Have you ever wondered what happens to the food you eat? Today, I'm going to tell you all about the amazing journey food takes in your body. Ready? Let's go! First, when you take a bite of that yummy sandwich, the journey begins in your mouth. Your teeth chew the food into tiny pieces and your saliva, that spit in your mouth, helps break it down even more. Saliva contains special chemicals called enzymes that start breaking down the food right away. Now it's time to swallow. The chewed up food slides down a tube called the esophagus. This tube is like a muscular tunnel that pushes the food down to your stomach. Think of it like a water slide. It moves the food from your mouth to your stomach. The muscles in the esophagus squeeze the food down in a wave-like motion called peristalsis. Once in your stomach, things get really exciting. Your stomach is like a mixer. It churns and mixes the food with stomach acids, turning it into a gooey, mushy stuff called chyme. These stomach acids are very strong and help break down the food even more. It churns and mixes the food with stomach acids, turning it into a gooey, mushy stuff called chyme. Gross, right? But totally cool! The stomach also has muscles that squeeze and mix the food, making sure everything is well blended. Next stop, the small intestine. This is where the magic happens. The small intestine is a long, coiled tube where most of the digestion and absorption of nutrients takes place. The small intestine is super long, about 20 feet. Imagine a rope that long inside your body. It's like a crazy long water slide. The walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny finger-like projections called villi that help absorb nutrients. Here your body takes all the good stuff from the food like vitamins and nutrients and sends them into your blood. These nutrients are then carried to all parts of your body to give you energy and help you grow. The rest of the food, the stuff your body doesn't need, moves on to the large intestine. This is where the final stages of digestion take place. The large intestine is shorter but wider. It's about 5 feet long and is responsible for absorbing water and turning the leftover waste into solid poop. It soaks up the water from the leftovers and turns them into, poop. The large intestine also contains helpful bacteria that break down any remaining food particles. Yep, that's where poop comes from. These bacteria also produce certain vitamins that your body needs. Finally, the leftovers are ready to leave your body. When you go to the bathroom, the waste is expelled from your body, and that's the end of the food's journey. It's amazing how your body processes food and turns it into energy and waste. It's a wild ride, right? Your digestive system is like a well-oiled machine that works hard every day. So remember, your body is like a super cool factory that works hard every day to turn food into energy and nutrients. Eating healthy foods helps keep this factory running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to eat your veggies to keep that factory running smoothly. Bye for now.